Hi student, this is Kadirvel, Max teacher, grade 6.
Equivalent fraction. To find an equivalent fraction of a given fraction, you multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. We get a equivalent fraction of the given fraction. Example, 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 multiple numerator 2 and denominator also 2. So 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. So 6 by 10 is one of the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. One more equivalent fraction. Multiple by 5. So 3 into 5, 15. 5 into 5 equal to 25. So 15 by 25 is also one of the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. So the two equivalent fraction of the given fraction is 3 by 5 equal to 6 by 10 equal to 15 by 25. Now find equivalent fraction of 4 by 7 with numerator is 16 and denominator is 42. So solution of the first sum. So the given fraction is 4 by 7. So we get numerator is 16. So 4 multiple by 4 we get 16. So numerator can multiple by 4. So also denominator also can multiple by 4. So 7 4s are 28. So the required fraction equal to 4 by 7 equal to 16 by 28. Solution of the second sum. Denominator is 42. So 7 into 6 we get 42. So 7 6 are 42. So numerator also you can multiple 6. 4 6 are 24. So the required fraction is 4 by 7 equal to 24 by 42. Simplest form of a fraction. Simplest form of a fraction. A fraction is said to be in the form of simplest or lowest if its numerator and denominator have no common factor. So numerator and denominator there is no common factor except 1. So we have to find simplest form of the given fraction is 40 by 64. So already we know L division method. Separately you find the prime factor of 40 and 64. So first one 40 can divide 2 table 20 time, again 2 table 10 time, again 2 table 5 time, again 5 table 1 time. Same for 64. 64 is even number, so divide by 2. So 2 divide 64 32 time, and 32 is a even number, so divide 2 table 16 time. 16 also even number, divide 2 time. 2 table 8 time. 8 can divide 2 table 4 time. 4 can divide 2 table 2 time, and 2 can divide 1 time. Now 40 by 64 equal to the factors of 40. So 2 into 5 and prime factor of 64. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So we have to remove the common factor here. So 2, 2, 2. So remaining in the numerator is 5. Remaining in the denominator is 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 5 by 8 is a required simplest form of the given fraction. So in this method we have to find prime factor of given numerator and denominator. So this is the one method we can find the simplest form of the given fraction. The same question we have to find using HCF method. So numerator 40 and denominator 64. So we have to find HCF of numerator and denominator. So 40 and 64 can divide 2 table. So 20 time, and 64 32 time. Again 20 and 32 can divide 2 table 10 time, and 32 16 time. 10 and 16 can divide 2 table 5 times and 16 8 times. Now 5 and 8 there is no common factor. So we can take HCF of the given numerator and denominator is 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now we have to divide the particular HCF of the given numerator and denominator. So 40 divide 8 and 64 divide 8. So 40 in 8 table 5 times and 64 8 times. So the required simplest fraction is 5 by 8. In this two method we get the answer of the given fraction is 5 by 8. Now comparing fractions. The first one like fractions. Like fraction having two type, whether denominator and same, and second one is numerators are same. You consider these set of fraction 3 by 10 and 7 by 10. Here both denominators are same. So comparing numerator, 3 is smaller than 7. So 3 by 10 is smaller than 7 by 10. You consider 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. The set of two fraction numerator is same. So we have to compare denominator 3 and 5. So this represent as a picture diagram 1 by 3. So the whole part divide into 3. So we can take 1. The second fraction, the whole part divide by 5. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can take one part. So from this diagram we conclude 1 by 3 greater than 1 by 5. So if it is numerators are same, we consider the denominator smallest value is greater value. The second one, unlike fractions 1 by 4 and 2 by 5. So we have to find LCM of the given denominator. So 4 and 5. So these two are co-prime because there is no common factor. So we have to multiple 4 and 5 equal to 20. So 4 can multiple by 5, we get 20. So numerator also multiple by 5. So 1 into 5 equal to 5 and 4 into 5 equal to 20. The second fraction 2 by 5. So 5 into 4 we get 20. So 5 fours are 20 and 2 fours are 8. Now both denominators are same. So it is like fraction. So now we can check numerator. So 5 and 8. So 5 is smaller than 8. So therefore the required answer is 1 by 4 smaller than 2 by 5.
Students, I give 5 questions for you. Do it yourself.